Today we are making Cajun Chicken Alfredo. I'm going to show you the sausage that I'm using in this clip right here. I'm just going to start by cutting up the sausage. I have my chicken that I am going to brown after this. So let's chop up the sausage. Then you are going to want to brown your chicken, season each side. I'm using garlic powder, salt, and pepper. After you're done browning your chicken, you will want to throw your sausage in there with your chicken. Heavy cream, your broth, butter, and then your Creole and your garlic seasonings. So let's throw those in. You will do 3 cups of your heavy whipping cream. And once you get these ingredients in there, you will not stir this until after the couple hours. So I got 1 quart of this, just to give you guys an idea, and I probably have about another cup left in there for chicken broth. And this is pretty much probably going to be the whole 32 ounces of the chicken broth container. Going to be putting this in there. And you will want 2 tablespoons of this. 4 tablespoons of butter. Some garlic powder, a little tiny bit. So now that we have everything in here, once again, we are not going to stir it. We are going to put our timer on for 2 hours and 30 minutes and place our crock pot on high. I will see you whenever that timer goes off. Now you will want to grab your chicken out of there, and then I will show you the next step. Look how delicious that looks. Take your chicken out to cut and chop into pieces to put back in there. Have our chicken out of there, placed right there. We are going to let it cool for a second and then chop it up. Now we are going to take our 1 pound box of whatever pasta you want to use, and we're you will also want to add a half a cup of water, hot water. Put your pasta in there, you put the lid back on, put the timer on for 30 minutes, and then I will show you the next step after that. See you in 30 minutes. Now we're going to put our cut up chicken and our Parmesan cheese into the crock pot. Add our cheese.
Probably get one more going.